Hello all. So today we'll be learning about the operator overloading in C++. So operator overloading is a compile time polymorphism which gives special meaning to the existing operator in C++ without changing its original meaning. And for example, the operator plus, which is the addition operator, it can be overloaded. So in order to concatenate two strings, we can use plus operator. Okay, now we shall see about the operator overloading. Hash include IO stream using namespace std. We have a class called complex. Private variables int real and image. Public, I have a constructor initializing or with 0 and I with 0. Really is R and I am assigning match with I. I have another constructor operator plus overloading this operator plus I am passing the complex object itself. Its object itself I am passing inside. I am declaring one more object. Adding and returning the value of RES. And I am declaring another function here, which is going to print the values. Okay. Now here comes the main function. I am declaring objects for the complex class C1, passing the values as 10 and 5. Again, I have C2, passing the value 2 and 4. Okay, again, I am just declaring another complex object, adding both C1 and C2 and storing the result into C3. Now I am calling C3 dot print. Okay. Okay, let me save the code. BEAR dot CPP. Okay. Yes. EPC BEAR dot CPP. Oh, BEAR. I'm calling the executable file. See, I have got the answer as 12 plus I9, which is adding both the real parts of the two objects C1 and C2, and again adding the imaginary parts for both C1 and C2, and it is displaying it as complex number. Okay, 12 plus I9. So thus we can overload the operator plus. Okay. Hope you are all clear with operator overloading, and meet you all in the next video. Thank you.